Okay, so today we are in a 6-speed manual. This is a 6-speed manual. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for your support. Please give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, in our today's video I'll be telling you, sorry for the light that side, it's broken. So in our today's video I'll be telling you my fans. I'll be telling you the people that support my channel, the people that are learning, everyone that is coming to this channel on how to shift, the simplest ways on how you can shift a 6-speed. So this is a 6-speed, like you can see. So the reverse, then we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, so in its normal position, this gear lever, it is between 3 and 4 when it is in neutral position. When in neutral position, it's between 3 and 4. So this is gear 3 and this is gear 4. So in the neutral position, so one push this side up, that is gear 1. So that is gear 1. Then this is how you shift. This is how you shift. The simplest ways on how you can shift. So this is gear 1. Then from 1 to 2 straight, that is gear 2, just according to how they've labeled the gear positions there. So that was gear 2. Gear 3, you just push it, then you push it, that is gear 3. Then this is gear 4. Back to the neutral position, one step to my right, up or forward. So that is 5th gear. Gear 5, that is gear 5. Then gear 6, obviously straight this side, so that is gear 6. Then reverse is two pushes, push one, then another push, then up or forward, that is the reverse gear. So that's how you shift a 6-speed manual. Those are the gear positions, the simplest ways. So I said 1 is just one push. This one, the good thing about it, so from 3 to here to 1 and 2 in the neutral position. So this is 1 and 2. Then when I push that side, that's a reverse. It's even difficult to engage, so you can't make a mistake going to the reverse. So you just push it once, then this is gear 1, that is gear 2, that is gear 3, that's gear 4, gear 5, and that is gear 6. So those are the simplest ways on how you can shift a 6-speed manual. Just follow the guidelines on the vehicle. That's a reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just the guidelines. When you go into any vehicle that you are driving, it be a manual or automatic, just lead whatever you find on the gear lever, then you know what to do, how to shift. This is the idea they've given, the gear patterns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.